Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to edit cuss words out of a video. Here are the steps to edit or censor cuss words out of a video using CapCut. First things first, unlock your Android phone by entering your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Launch the CapCut app. Tap to open it. Tap New Project. Start a new editing project. Select the video you want to edit to. Pick the video from your gallery and tap Add. Tap on the video in the timeline. This activates editing tools. Play the video and find the part with the cuss word. Use the timeline slider to locate the exact moment. Move the playhead to the start of the cuss word. Tap split or scissor icon to cut at the start. Move the playhead to the end of the cuss word. Then tap split again to isolate that section. Mute the split clip with the cuss word. Tap the split clip. Choose volume from the menu and drag it to 0. Hit the check mark to confirm and tap the export button in the top right corner. Bonus tip: you can also cut out the clip entirely or use a sound effect like a bleep from the CapCut sound library. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.